Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel World Fashion and Decoration Trip. Today in this video, I present to you some vintage style home decorating ideas. Let's start the video. Vintage style home decor combines classic elements from past eras to create a warm, nostalgic and elegant atmosphere. Here are some key elements to achieve this aesthetic. Number 1. Furniture. Antique or distressed pieces. Opt for wooden furniture with a distressed or weathered look. Use only details. Look for carved legs, carved wood, and decorative embellishments. Mix and match. Combine different vintage styles such as Victorian, mid-century, or French country. Number 2. Color palette. Soft pastels like mint cream, blush pink, and powder blue. Neutral tones like cream, beige, and soft gray. Warm earth tones, burnt orange, mustard yellow. Number 3. Fabrics and textiles, lace, crochet, or embroidered lines. Use floral or timix patterned curtains. Use velvet or tufted upholstery. Use vintage-inspired coils and throws. Number 4. Decor and accessories. Vintage mirrors. Ornate gold or distressed wooden frames. Candelabres, crystal or old iron for an old world feel. Antique clocks. Large wall clocks with German numerals, porcelain and china, delicate tea sets, floral plates and glassware. Books and typewriters. Leather-bound books and old typewriters add charm. Number 5. Wall art and wallpaper. Floral or timix patterned wallpaper. Use vintage botanical prints and framed art. Use old maps and travel posters. Gallery walls with ornate mismatched frames. Number 6. Flooring and rugs. Wooden floors with a distressed finish. Persian or Oriental rug for a classic touch. Use checkered tiles in kitchens or bathrooms. Number 7. Vintage storage and display. Old suitcases, stacks as side tables. Vintage trunks as coffee tables. Open shelving with antique glass jars and ceramics. Vintage decor captures the charm and elegance of past eras, blending nostalgic elements with modern comfort. It can range from Victorian elegance to mid-century modern, French country or Shabby styles. Here is everything you need to know to create a beautiful vintage-inspired home. Defining features of vintage style. Vintage decor is all about history, craftsmanship, and character. Common elements include aged or distressed finishes. Furniture and accessories often have a warm, rustic look. Ornate details, carving, embellishments, and intricate patterns are common. Soft muted colors, pastels, earth tones, and neutral shades dominate the palette. Use classic materials, wood, iron, lace, velvet, and porcelain add texture and authenticity. Crafted collections. Vintage decor often includes antique pieces, flower market finds, or heirloom treasures. Popular vintage decor styles. Each vintage-inspired style has unique characteristics, like shabby chic, soft pastel colors like white, cream, blush pink, and mint green. Use distress and repaint furniture. Use floral patterns and lace accents. Use crystal candelabras and delicate decor. French country, elegant yet rustic elements. A mix of distressed wood and refined upholstery, tile or floral patterns. Use old iron accessories, mirrors, candle holders. Victorian vintage, ornate furniture with dark oud finishes, rich fabrics like velvet and brocade. Gold and brass accents. Use dramatic candelabras and wall sconces. Mid-century modern vintage. Clean lines and minimalist designs. Teak or walnut furniture. Use geometric patterns and bold colors. Retro appliances and decor. Rustic farmhouse vintage. Added wood and natural textures. Neutral tones with pops of warm color. Use messengers, galvanized metal, and barn doors. Cozy textiles like linen and burlap. Key elements of vintage home decor: furniture, antique or distressed wooden furniture. Look for detailed carvings and carved legs. Upcycled pieces, repaint or distress second-hand furniture for an authentic vintage feel. Mix areas, combine different vintage styles for a unique, personalized look. Fabrics and textiles, lace and crochet, tablecloths, curtains, and bedding with intricate lace details. Floral patterns, upholstery, wallpapers, and cushions with vintage floral motifs. Quilts and tufted upholstery adds warmth and charm. Decor and accessories, vintage mirrors, gilded gold frames or distressed wood, candelabras and wall sconces, crystal or iron or brass designs. Antique clocks, Roman memorials, wall clocks or mantel clocks, porcelain and china, floral teacups, delicate dishware and decorative platters, typewriters and books, leather-bound books, and antique typewriters add character. Wall art and wallpaper, botanical prints, classic illustrations of flowers and plants, old maps and travel posters, perfect for a study or living room. Gallery walls, mismatched ornate frames with vintage artwork, wallpaper, floral, damask or tile patterns for nostalgic touch. Flooring and rugs, wooden floors, chalk stained, painted or distressed wood for an aged look. Checkered tiles, black and white or pastel checkered tiles for kitchens and bathrooms. Persian or Oriental rugs adds a timeless and luxurious feel. Vintage stories and display ideas. Use antique trunks as a coffee table or storage. Old suitcases, stack them as side tables. Vintage clusters and apple bottles. Display spices, perfumes, or toiletries. Open shelving showcases ceramics, books, and small antique treasures. Where to find vintage decor beaches, antique stores, and flower markets. Great for authentic finds. Cheap shops and estate sales. Unique and budget-friendly options. Online marketplaces, Stay, eBay, Facebook Marketplace, and specialty vintage shops. Dye and upcycling. Repurpose old furniture with top paint or distressing techniques. Tips for creating a vintage aesthetic. Mix old and new. Pair vintage pieces with modern elements for balance. Keep it cozy. Use soft lighting, textured fabrics, and layered decor. Don't overcrowd. Choose key statement pieces instead of cluttering the space. Personalize it. Incorporate sentimental or heirloom items. Vintage style home decor brings the charm and elegance of past eras into your living space. Whether you prefer the romance of Victorian designs, the simplicity of farmhouse chic, or the sophistication of mid-century modern, vintage decor offers the timeless, nostalgic aesthetics. What is vintage home decor? Vintage decor refers to a design style that incorporates elements from past decades, typically 1920s to 1970s, to create a warm, lived-in, and classic feel. It embraces antique and repurposed furniture, old wooden chests, vintage vanities, and upcycled cabinets. Soft and muted color palettes, pastels, earth tones, and neutral shades. Classic materials: oud, brass, porcelain, lace, velvet, and oud iron. Handcrafted and distressed finishes adds character and a sense of history. Vintage home decor styles. Each vintage inspired style has unique characteristics. First, Shabby chic. Use light pastel colors like white, cream, blush pink, or mint green. Uses distressed wooden furniture and upcycled antiques. Floral patterns, lace, and soft textiles. Uses crystal candelabras and decorative candle holders. French country, elegant yet rustic design elements. Use neutral and earthy tones with floral accents. A mix of distressed oud and refined upholstery. Use all the iron details like mirrors, candle holders, and bed frames. Victorian vintage, ornate furniture with dark oud finishes, luxurious fabrics like velvet, brocade, and lace, gold-framed mirrors like oil paintings and candelabras, dramatic candelabras, and vintage wallpaper. Mid-century modern vintage, clean lines and minimalist design. Chic or all-in furniture with tapered legs. Use geometric patterns, abstract art, and bold colors. Uses retro-style appliances and decor. Rustic farmhouse windows, ordered wood and natural textures. Use neutral color palette with soft warm tones. Use messengers, galvanized metal, and pine doors. Cozy textiles like linen, cotton, and burlap. Furniture for vintage home decor. Vintage furniture should have a well-loved aged appearance, like distressed wooden pieces, repaint or weather dressers, tables, and cabinets. Ornate details, carved wood, curved legs, and decorative embellishments. Mixing eras, pyramids and a modern chair with a shabby chic table for contrast. Vintage home decor blends elements from past decades to create a timeless and elegant aesthetic. Whether you love the romantic charm of Victorian design, the rustic appeal of vintage farmhouse, or the clean lines of mid-century modern, vintage decor can transform any space into a cozy, nostalgic retreat. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you.